Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. Are you looking for a shopping platform to buy low-cost goods? In this video guide, I want to talk to you about Temu and also show you how to download and install this app for you to be able to purchase goods online. I do get a lot of questions about Temu. What is Temu? It's a global online marketplace launched in 2022 by PDD Holdings, a Chinese company behind Pinduoduo. It connects consumers directly with manufacturers and sellers, primarily based in China. They offer a vast range of products from fashion and electronics to home goods and pet suppliers at extremely competitive price. The business model relies heavily on extreme value sourcing, meaning they cut out middlemen to offer low-cost goods. The app is gamified, featuring daily check-in rewards, spin-to-win games, and free gifts in exchange for referrals. This social commerce aspect is a major driver of its rapid growth. This is Android phone. Go to Play Store, select apps and search Temu, T-E-M-U. Select on it. Temu, shop like billionaire. 4.6 star, 11 million reviews, 1 billion plus downloads. Select install. And also you need to make sure you have enough space on your phone. You can check your phone storage. It doesn't take a lot of space. So it's installing. So the app is installed. Select open. This is Temu app. Privacy and cookies settings. I usually reject all. This is the app. Allow Temu to send notification. Do not allow. We'll show you sign in for the best experience. You select sign in. And this is the app. The way this app works is if you want to search any particular product, then you search on Temu. So this is the home. Have categories, you, catalog, incredibly free shipping. So go to categories. So they sell home and kitchen products, women's clothing, women's curve clothing, women's shoe, women's lingering and lounge, men's clothing, men's shoe, men's big and tall, men's underwear and sleepwear, sports and outdoors, jewelries and accessories, health and beauty, toys and game, automotive, kids fashion, kids shoes, baby and maternity, bags and luggage, patio, lawn and garden, arts, craft and sewing, electronics, business, industry and science, toys, home improvement, appliances, office, school and supply, health and household, pet supplies, mobile, phone and accessories, smart home, musical instruments, food and grocery, books and media, beachwear and furniture. So these are categories. And also we will show you pictures. You can select any particular categories, items. For example, we also show you the picture. For example, let's say if you are looking for women's dress, for example, women's dress. Once you select on it, it will show you women's dress listed on the app. You can scroll down to select any particular one. And if you want to buy any particular one, let's say if you want to buy this, select on it. It will show you how many stars review. If you want to read about the information, if you want to read about the review, scroll down all the way down. Then you read the review, what people who purchase this product are saying below. We'll show you the price and also show you if the product is on sales. Women's clothing, women's elegant floral print wrap dress, ladies spring and summer V-neck short sleeve. This one is on sale, free shipping, £4 credit for delay. We show you the price. £10.37 is the price. Size, you have size 8, size 10, 12 by 14, and 16. If you select quantity, use plus or minus. Let's say if you want 2 of those, you select 2, select plus, the quantity increase. If you want to reduce it, select minus, the quantity is now decreased to 1. The shipping details, free shipping, standard delivery, it will tell you the date or within the time the product will be delivered. And also, you also have free returns and price adjustment. If you want to buy this item, if you want to see more of the picture, scroll down. It will show you a lot more images of the products. And also, if you look on the side, so they have up to 40 pictures or 40 images for this dress. So you just need to keep scrolling to the side for you to reach to the end. And if you want to buy it or select your size, select size 8, for example. Then you select how many you want, 1. Then you select add to cart. So this item is added to cart. You can go to cart or continue going back to look for something else. Let's say if you want to look for something else, if you go back to the categories, select luggages, for example, show you free shipping. Then you select, we give you option buy it now or select option, then you select the color. If you select black, for example, then you select add to cart. So this item is added to cart. Show you one added to cart. Then if you want to pay for this item, select the catalog, eligible for free shipping and also free return. Then you sign in, you can sign in with Google account or sign in with Facebook, continue with email or with your telephone number. So once you put your telephone number or email, then you sign in. If you forgot your account or password, you can select trouble signing in. It gives you option for you to reset your password. And this item, if you want to remove this item, you select delete. So one item is removed. You can see the second one. If you want to remove it, then select delete. So the whole item is removed. If there's any particular item you want to search, you can also search for the product or type it on the top. You can type the product name or use camera, then allow access to search for the product. Once you capture the image, it will go through their whole system to see if the product is available or not. But also you can type, let's say if you want to buy for, let's say, ink cartridge, for example, you type Canon ink cartridge, select on it, then select search. It will show you Canon ink cartridges, different type they got on their website. You can select any particular one, for example, so you can search by typing the cartridges, or if you know the number, you can also put the number and search. Also, if you have the cartridge, you can capture the image, use the camera, allow access. It will show you take a photo. Then you select take a photo. Then give access, authorize access for the product to be searched on Temu. Most important thing is for you to sign in. You need to sign in to create your account and put your address for shipping and also your bank details in terms of payment option or payment plan. Uninstall the app. You go to your phone desktop, select on the app, pinch on it. It will show you search on Temu, view orders, shopping cart, remove, uninstall, or widgets. So I usually select uninstall. It will ask you, do you want to uninstall this app? Then you select OK. So the app uninstalled. Another method to install this app, you can go to Google Chrome, or any search program you want to use. Then go on the top and type Temu. Select on it. Then it will show you the official website in your region, Temu.com. Select on it, Temu.com. This is Temu.com. Then you select to get the app. Then you select get on top. It will still take you to Google Play Store for you to install this app. The next thing to do, you just need to select install. so the app will be installed on your phone. So these are two methods to install this app on your Android. I hope this helped you. While you are here, I'm also a Temu affiliate. Use my coupon code to get some discount on your shopping. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.